Oh, look! Here comes a whole school of monsters!
Glub Monster Time!
It's Monster Time!
Glub Glub Monster Time!
Welcome to Monster Clubhouse!
I'm Google.
I'm Narf!
I'm Fiddle.
Say poopy tip.
And this is Mel.
Thank you.
Now it's time for you to be monster too. So mess up your fur real good like this.
Now say wubba wubba wubba.
Wubba,
Now time to sing the song. You sing too.
Monster Clubhouse, that's what we do. If you wanna play, be a monster too. Mess up your fur. Then wubba, 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 boogie boo. Wubba, 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 MONSTER House Monster
And now it's time for the monster dance. And today's dance is the ever popular Build It Very High dance. You dance too. The beat. Mouses, keep building. And stop. Very good, monsters.
Mel says, don't go well.
This snack will look very heavy.
Oh, this is yummy. This is so good.
But, oh,
Oops, sorry, Narf. Was that yours?
that's okay.
And now, time for Woo! Furry Shape of the Day!
Hey, what's today's furry shape?
Spin wheel, spin wheel, spin wheel, spin wheel.
Okay.
The furry shape is a circle. It does not have any corners.
Wait, what circle?
Ah, furry circle.
It's a body.
Mouse says you can play catch with that thing. Come on, everyone, let's play catch. Nap time! Oh.
Now it's time to get chased by an elephant.
Excuse me, but I would like to say elephants like to play catch too. Instead of me trying to chase you, I would like you to play catch with me. Alright, monsters, toss the ball. Great game, everyone, but now it's time for me to chase you.
My work here is done.
Oh, now time for monster goodbye. goodbye song. Yeah, and all you furry monsters at home, you sing too!
Goodbye, 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 good. Bye, goodbye, 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 goodbye. Goodbye, 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 goodbye.